Today is 21st April 2026, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Kick followers fast using a simple step-by-step method. My name is Marcus, and I make tutorials to help you grow on Twitch and Kick. As you can see, this Kick account currently has only 76 followers, which is quite low if you want to grow or reach partner level. To boost this, go to Google and search for Followers Panda, then open the first website that appears in the results. Once you're on the website, go to the main menu and select Buy Kick Followers. Here, you'll see multiple packages to choose from. They offer instant delivery within 60 seconds, real followers with profile pictures, 0 drop rate, and 24/7 live chat support. For this example, I'll select the 100 followers package and click on Checkout. Now simply paste your Kick username and email address, then click Proceed to Checkout. You'll receive a verification code in your email. Copy it, paste it here, and create a password to continue. On the payment page, you'll see options like Stripe, PayPal, and Wallet. Wallet gives the highest discount, so I'll add funds using crypto and complete the payment. Once the payment is done, your order will appear in the My Orders section and start processing immediately. Now, if we refresh the Kick profile, you can see the followers have increased from 76 to 178. That means the delivery worked perfectly. If you want to get Kick followers fast, you can follow the same method. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in the next one.